Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something exciting for you, a deep dive into this stunning crossover. This beauty right here promises the perfect blend of style, practicality, and performance. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk design. On the outside, the sleek lines and aggressive front grille give it a modern, sporty look. Not too bulky, not too small, just the right size for city drives and weekend adventures. LED headlights for sharper visibility, premium alloy rims that pop, and a clean rear design. They've clearly put some thought into aesthetics. But hey, we know it's not just about looks. Let's hop inside. Here's where things get interesting. The cabin feels spacious, and the materials are on point. Soft touch finishes, ergonomic seats, and everything seems built for comfort. Let me show you the tech features, because we all love gadgets, right? We've got a large touch screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, fast and responsive. There's also a wireless charger down here, super convenient. And oh, check this out, a panoramic sunroof to let in all the sunshine. It's basically an Instagram post waiting to happen. Alright, now let's talk about what's under the hood. This crossover comes with a mentioned engine specs, perfect for those long highway drives, but equally good in stop-and-go traffic. Smooth transmission, and you've got different driving modes, eco, sport, and normal. Switch to sport mode, and you can feel the extra kick immediately. The driving experience? Honestly, it's smooth and balanced. The suspension handles bumps well, and it feels light on the turns. It's got enough ground clearance for uneven roads, too. So if you're planning a road trip or heading to the mountains, you're all set. Now let's talk practicality. The boot space is more than enough for a weekend getaway or your grocery run. And if you need more room, the rear seats fold flat in seconds. Safety-wise, it's packed. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera, and emergency braking, all working together to give you peace of mind on the road. So, what's the verdict? If you're looking for a versatile vehicle that gives you the style of a sedan, the utility of an SUV, and the comfort of a luxury car, this crossover might just be the perfect fit. Practical, efficient, and fun to drive, it ticks all the right boxes. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. And let me know in the comments, what do you think about this crossover? Would you take it for a spin? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.